Inkonzo yomngcwabo yalowo wayengumqeqeshi webhola lezinyawo ibithanyelwe izinkakha zebhola likanobhutshuzwayo. Lokhu kufaka phakathi abadlali beBafana Bafana bango-1996 abanqoba isicoco sokuqala esikhulu sezwe i-African Cup of Nations. Waphinde wahlungela iBafana Bafana indlela yokungena endebeni yomhlaba okokuqala ngqa ngo-1998. Nakuba uBarker anikela impilo yakhe yonke ebholeni, kodwa wayebuye abe nesikhathi somndeni wakhe.
You all knew our father as a charismatic, positive coach, and he was no different at home. He was a great husband to my mother, an amazing father to Gavin and I, and a wonderful grandfather to his grandkids.
Iqembu leBafana Bafana lango-1996 lihloniphe umqeqeshi walo. Lithi ubengeyena umqeqeshi kuphela kodwa ubengubaba aphinde abasize baxazulule izinkinga zabo.
This man deserves better. We should have acknowledged him while he was still alive. If anyone in this hall can tell me which coach has achieved much as Clive did, then I'll agree. But at the moment, I strongly believe that we failed him as a nation.
uBarker unxenye ngeqhaza lakhe elikhulu lokuthuthukisa ibhola lezinyawo emazingeni aphansi. Ushiye emhlabeni umkakhe, amadodana amabili nabazukulu. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza, ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Umqeqeshi webanyana uDesirelis uthi kuzoba nzima ukuqoka abadlali abazogijima emqhudelanweni wendebe yomhlaba ngenyanga ezothwasa. Njengamanje leli qembu lisenkanjini eGoli liyasicija.
Sekusele isikhathi esingaphezulu kwenyanga ukuthi uqala umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba yabesifazane ebholeni likanobhutshuzwayo, kanti amalungiselelo eqembu ibanyana asela ngasemaphethelweni.
I will say honestly, choosing the 36 was most probably one of the most difficult things that I've had to do since becoming the coach of the team. Players have gotten better, the league has gotten better.
Lo mqeqeshi uthi bazosebenzisa ulwazi lwabo lomqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba ngonyaka u-2019 ukuze bezokwenza kangcono kulokhu.
So we have to make sure that we get the mix right of the youth experience, we get the mix right in terms of combinations, we get the mix right in terms of having cover, because we're going to a tournament that's going to be expected of everyone to be able to step up.
Abadlali bayafunga bayagomela ukuthi bazokwenza izibukwayo kulo mqhudelwano.
We have 1 week left to prove ourselves, and I think by the second week I think our coach will know exactly who it is that she wants on the roster of 23.
Kanti abanye abadlali basalangazelela ukuba kulo mqhudelwano omkhulu.
I'm very grateful to be here, something that I've been working towards this entire year from when we won WAFCON. I just think that it's a very crucial time for the team. Everyone wants to make it.
Abadlali abayisithupha abazinze phesheya kwelwandle basalindeleke ukuba bafike enkanjeni.